we going, babe?
I'm gonna go to Rio Celeste, I think it's called. And it's volcano water mixed with a really particular mineral, which makes it baby blue, the water.
So cool.
The waterfall.
Good morning, Costa Rica. It's blue. Wow.
Yeah.
We are at this park right here, which you could read for yourself because I can't pronounce it. And we're going to see Rio Celeste Waterfall today. How did you become this way? So here's what we know so far. The hike is about 3.7 miles round trip. Some people said it got muddy, but so far we're on a paved road, and they told us do not wear bug spray or put bug spray on. Do not apply bug spray in the park because you could kill the butterflies. So, being very careful. We found it. We're in the safety zone. Don't know what we're safe from when we're here, but it says we're safe. Leaving the safety zone, babe. Be careful out there.
We just got a sneak peek driving over the bridge of the river. Oh my gosh, it's super cool. It's turquoise blue and it came out to shine today. I guess only 2 or 3 times a year, 2 or 3 days a year, it's not blue because of the water movement so much. But this is gonna be really great. And I saw one of the most beautiful, vivid blue butterflies, which matches the river. So maybe it's drinking the water.
We've powered through the walk so far. We're right by the Catarata, which is a waterfall. But if you look up here, it's a little confusing because it looks like everything is to the right.
Catarata. So we want to end up going right, but we're coming back to you. Well, let's go up and take a peek.
Yeah, let's go up.
I don't know, we gotta take a right.
Oh, there's another right here.
Okay, oh there we go.
It says this is it, down here. I think this is the big one.
Creation date. Guys, look at this.
The waterfall was created.
In 1995, it was created. Amazing.
So, ustedes aquí y entrada catarata. That's the Blue Lake, and that is the Tenderloin. Tenderloin. I think all the parks here have the same designer. They all use the same fake wood.
It's concrete.
They all use the same fake concrete.
You can hear the water rumbling.
Thanks for coming with us, guys. This is fun. Good morning activity.
Ooh, there's some stairs here.
Exciting.
This is the same blue butterfly that I saw earlier.
Oh, wow. That is
Babe, on the inside, it was gold and black. So pretty. And then metallic, like metallic, 100% metallic.
Wow.
Okay, here we are. Look at this. We can see it, oh my gosh. We can see it, babe.
Whoa. A lot of steps down.
Wow. Oh, this is cool. All right. What a beautiful sight. Oh my gosh, it was such a quick walk. I thought it was gonna be forever. We read blogs about how it was like a 3-hour, 2-hour thing. Oh my gosh, it was so easy. And this water is a mixture of some volcanic minerals, and I believe it's a bacteria, but mainly minerals that turn this water this beautiful color. And so if it rains heavy, it gets diluted a little bit, but it comes back instantly. So it's like got the composition to always be this beautiful. Now it's a little different than the bioluminescence that we saw in Colombia. This is mineral based, so I don't know much about the exact reason why the bioluminescence was happening, but that was based on activation, like aggression or movement. This is the opposite of that. It's based on the minerals not moving, and that's why we get to see them. So obviously it's white where the waterfall is, but then where we actually have the lake or the pool, that's where you see the bluest parts. And so in the river, it's where the water's not moving is when you see the blue, which is fun. It's the opposite of the bioluminescence.
So special. What a gem. You know, this is like out of a fairy tale. You know how when, you know, you're younger, maybe you're like, let's go see a waterfall, and you go to see it and you're like, well, that sucks. You know, inwardly you're like, it's kind of disappointing. This is like the perfect fairy tale waterfall. I mean, it's the right amount of water, beautiful glowing blue pool. It's insane. I feel like I'm in a dream. This is a waterfall from a dream. We love having you along the journey, guys. Honestly, it's amazing. If you are enjoying this journey with us, make sure to subscribe to this channel because we are inviting you along. We want you to come along every journey with us, every adventure with us, but you gotta do your part. We can't do anything else. You gotta hit that subscribe button to make sure you save your spot on this trip around the world. Thanks for coming with us to explore this beautiful park. It is a national park and it is a beautiful place to be. There's so much to look at. Let me know if you've seen any sloths in the comments because I haven't seen any yet, but apparently they're here. And we've really enjoyed it. Now we're gonna hop back in the car and continue our Costa Rican road trip to Playa Hermosa. This is not the Hermosa beach that I'm from. Hermosa means beautiful, and it is a beautiful beach where sea turtles are hatched. So we're hoping to catch some of those. Come along with us and you can see if we actually get the chance to see some of the sea turtles as they're hatching. People used to come up this way? What the heck? Look, there's a sign. Incredible.
That's a sign?
Yeah. Safe! Haven't played tag in a while. Thing about looking for sloths is even if you could call them, it would take them forever to get to you. So you kind of just have to see them where they're at. Kind of like remind me of koalas. This is the most mud I've seen all day.
You get him?
Yeah. Boutros is on time for life. No lines. It's like to sit down to eat something.
Wow.
And find a Costa Rican spider. Holy crap.